Hey, today I'm going to show you how to clean off paintbrushes that have not been cleaned in a long time. I have an oil-based, a water-based, a shellac, and a petrified brush that has not been touched in years. So let's get started. Let's get started with the water-based paintbrush. The first thing I'm going to do is put on some gloves, grab my paintbrush, and soak it in some warm soapy water. Once you've let the paintbrush soak into the warm water and you work the soap into the bristles, you can grab a paint comb to remove any of the dried clumps that are still stuck in the brush. As you can see, we are making some big progress with removing the paint, but there is still some paint in there, so I'm going to repeat the process, removing the paint. So now that I just rinsed off my paintbrush, I got all the extra paint that was stuck on here off. I'm going to now spin my brush and remove any extra water that's still in the brush. So after about 10 seconds of spinning your brush, it should be relatively dry enough to let it air dry, and you just want to store it in a place that's clean and will be dust free, so the next time you use it, it'll be ready to go. Now we're going to move on to the oil-based paint that's stuck on a paintbrush. And what we're going to do is actually let it soak in some paint thinner for a little bit. To soak the paintbrush, I'm going to use a clip so only the bristles are submerged in the paint thinner. We're going to let the brush soak for a few minutes and then we will start combing. So now you'll just have to pour some clean paint thinner into a new jar and then repeat the process, and then when you're done, you can spin the paintbrush. Submerge this in soapy water, agitate the brushes, rinse it off, and then spin it, and then I am done. Ready to go. The next brush we're gonna do has a bunch of shellac on it, so to clean this, we're gonna actually pour alcohol into this glass jar and let it soak for 20-25 minutes. All right, so for a shellac brush, you want to always keep using shellac for this brush only. And now that the alcohol removed the shellac, the bristles are soft and we're ready to use it. For our last brush, this brush has been full of paint for about over a year. And so what we're going to do is we're going to let it soak in some paint thinner for about 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and finish cleaning it. So now that the brush is soaked for about 20 minutes, we're going to use this bristle brush to brush down on the bristles to remove any of the paint. And you want to brush in a downward motion to avoid damaging the bristles. And that's how you clean up your dry, dirty paintbrushes. For more videos, check out familyhandyman.com.